Good morning, students. Let's start today's lesson with chapter number 8, Mineral and Energy Resources. So, what is mineral? Minerals are natural substances that have definite chemical composition. All rocks are composed of minerals. Minerals are extracted from ores, and ore is a naturally occurring solid material that contains a large amount of a particular mineral. For example, iron ores, copper ores, etc. Okay. Types of minerals. Minerals are classified into two broad categories: metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals contain metals and are generally found in igneous rocks. For example, iron ore, manganese, copper, etc. Non-metallic minerals. These minerals do not contain metals and are found in sedimentary rocks. For example, limestone, mica, etc. Minerals are non-renewable resources, means they are exhaustible. It is not easy to replace them. First, iron ore. The most important mineral in the world is iron ore. There are four different types of iron ores: magnetite, hematite, limonite, and siderite. Magnetite. It is reddish in color. This is the best quality of iron ore and contains 72% pure iron. Next, hematite. It contains about 60 to 70% pure iron. Limonite. Yellowish in color. It contains 40 to 60% pure iron. And siderite. It is an inferior ore and has many impurities. It has only 10 to 40% pure iron. Okay. Uses: iron and steel together form the largest manufactured products in the world. It is used widely in construction of roads, railways, buildings, machine tools, and automobiles. Distribution of iron ore in India. Look at the map. Karnataka has large reserves of magnetite and hematite. Bababudan Hills and Kudremukh are important mining areas in Chikmagalur district. Next step, Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is a major producer of iron ore in India. The deposits are found in Durg and Bastar districts. Next, Odisha. Odisha is the largest producer of iron ore. Here good quality hematite is mined in the districts of Sundargarh, Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, Cuttack, Koraput districts. Jharkhand. Jharkhand is also an important producer of iron ore and has large reserves of hematite. Singhbhum district is the major producer of iron ore. Okay. Next, manganese. It is the most important mineral for making iron and steel. Let's see India map. Distribution of manganese. Odisha is the leading producer and it is mined in Sundargarh, Koraput, Sambalpur, Keonjhar, Mayurbani districts. Look at the map. In Maharashtra, the main belt is in Nagpur and Ratnagiri districts. The manganese found here is of high quality and is in great demand. Next, bauxite. Distribution of bauxite in India. Bauxite is the raw material for making aluminium used for making aircrafts, ships. It is used in electrical industry for its good conductivity, right? Look at the map. Odisha, Koraput, Sundargarh, Sambalpur districts, and Jharkhand, Ranchi and Palamu. In Maharashtra, bauxite deposits are found in Ratnagiri, Satara, Pune districts. Okay. Next, copper. Copper is in great demand in the industrial field. It is mainly used in electrical machinery, automobile industry, stainless steel, and telephones. Look at the map. Distribution of copper in India. Madhya Pradesh has become the largest producer of India. The state has a large deposit of copper in Balaghat district. In Rajasthan, copper is found at Khetri in Jhanjhun district. Jharkhand. Jharkhand is the third largest producer state of copper in the country. Copper is mined in Hazaribagh and Palamu district. Okay.